Okay, so this time, this is the last part of how to publish your research paper. So publishing your research paper is completely different. ठीक है? Like writing this directly तो ठीक है. It's like submit कैसे करना है. You have to know the right process before you do it. ठीक है? Now, first thing first is that guys, you publish your research paper in journals, and वो सारे journals index in various indexes like Google Scholar. ठीक है? So if you are thinking कि हाँ Google Scholar में publish करना है, you can do it. Why? Because that's not something that happens. You have to publish in a journal. वो journal को देखना है कि if that journal is indexing its articles in the Google Scholar or not, and ये सारी चीजें journal की guidelines पे लिखी रहती है. So that's all. Now, how to pick the journal that you are trying to publish in? ठीक है? तीन तरह के जर्नल होते हैं जनरली. वन इज इंडस्ट्री जर्नल्स, स्प्रिंगर एंड अदर सारे सारे बड़े बड़े नाम है जो भी. ठीक है? peer review journals, it's like a type of journal, but peer to peer journal, like see, peer review journal may basically sometimes in some peer review journals they are like the people who review your paper cannot see you, like are you a student or a professor or something, so it's like a closed end on both ends, so they give unbiased opinions basically. वो है, कभी कभी होता है, कभी कभी नहीं होता, but anyways that is something. And another one is high school journals, totally dedicated towards high school students. ठीक है? Now जनरली इफ यू हैव अ मेंटर इट्स गुड बिकॉज उन्हें पता होता है कि कैसे टाइप के रिसर्च पेपर में जाना चाहिए, बट इवन इफ यू डोंट नो कि कैसे क्या करना है, आई हैव अ लिस्ट रेडी, सो देखते जाओ वीडियो को अंत तक. नाउ अबाउट basically submitting your manuscript to the application portal of the journal's website, that is all you have to do. ठीक है? कुछ अलग से नहीं लिखना पड़ता. Sometimes you have to copy the abstract and paste it there in the dialog box, that is something, and that's all. ठीक है? Like publishing a research paper is all about finding the right research paper journal. ठीक है? And yeah, it's also matter of cost because article processing fees, APC कहते हैं इसको. APC vary करता है from journal to journal. It could be zero, in some it's free, in some journals it could be like close to $800 to $900, a lot of it, right? So yeah, like मेरे पापा के salary नहीं है ना $800, damn bro, like yeah, so that is something. And I have a better understanding about all this because मेरे पापा is a professor of Ramakrishna Mission, and he has quite a lot of research paper published in his name, like around 12 or 13 I think. ठीक है? And yeah, that's all. Like yeah, he's like a very academic person, and like yeah, I respect him a lot. That's something. And yeah, that's all about it, I guess. So see guys, I have a list ready about how, like what journals you can publish to, and something it's in the description, you can watch it. For giving your research paper a better chance of getting acceptance, because see, once you submit it, ठीक है, तुम्हें directly APC नहीं pay करना पड़ता. Once you submit the research paper, three things can happen. Either your research will be completely rejected, either they send it off and tell कि हाँ इसको थोड़ा change करना, ये सारी चीज़ें because it's not meeting our journal का guidelines, और ये एक बार में accept हो जाता है. ठीक है? If your research paper is good enough. हमारे like मेरे research मेरा जो research paper था about MBAC, model based system engineering, so उसमें direct submit हो गया. So that is also something because it was good enough, I guess. So and after that, after it's like they give you a green flag, you have to pay the article processing fees, and after that it could take you from 2 weeks to 2 months for that to get on a journal. ठीक है? Like उस journal में publish करना है, so they will take some time. ठीक है? Because every time they have to like you know release a new version, like sorry the version, like yeah, you get it right. Like it's like book like or volume release कर रहे, so basically that's the thing. And after it's accepted, published date would be something later on. That is also something. And बस में wait करना है. That's all. And yeah, that's all. If you don't know how to write a research paper, I have a guide here. And if you want to know my story कि मैंने कैसे लिखा था, like what is the thing about incognito blueprints, like मैंने उनका boot camp join किया था, उसके बाद हुआ था, so you can watch that as well. And अभी के लिए इतना ही. If you are an Indian student studying in class 12 or 11 or 10, 9, and you are thinking कि हाँ मुझे abroad जाना है after 12th, undergrad के लिए US जाना है particularly, then you can join our community abroad for better future. ठीक है? It's free to join. It's a WhatsApp group particularly. ठीक है? And we help everyone like who join people. And yeah, we also have a group called AVF Homies, so वहाँ पे बहुत मजा आता है. Anyways, that's all. लाइक इतना मजा आता है कि मुझे 24 आवर्स का डिसअपीयरिंग मैसेजेस ऑन करके रखना पड़ता है, बट यू गेट इट राइट. सो या मजे के एक तो हो गया मजा, बट अनदर थिंग इज दैट वी आल्सो गिव ई न्यूज़पेपर्स अबाउट स्टडी अब्रॉड. ठीक है, ये दिस इज वेरी our QCP sort of thing, and we also give one-on-one sometimes, like yeah, we just reach out and भाई तुझे कुछ help चाहिए कि नहीं, that's the thing, like and वहाँ पे सारे के सारे Indians हैं, that's the thing. ठीक है, and yeah, that's one. So we know कि तुम कौन सी चीज़ें पे जा रहे हो, and we are not biased about some particular universities, and yeah, it's free, so you can join. Link is in the description. Fill up the form, 3 minutes लगेंगे, and we will reach back to you in 3 days in your WhatsApp number if you are a good fit. And अगर तुम लकी हो तो मैं खुद तुम्हें मैसेज करूँगा. That's all. And अभी के लिए इतना था, अभी के लिए अलविदा, and सब्सक्राइब कर देना यार, ठीक है, हेल्प होता है. अलविदा.